Our team has literally vacuumed tons of sand, pet hair, and cereal to find the absolute best. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 vacuum cleaners you can buy in 2025. Our number 1 pick has suction power that will blow your mind, and our number 3 is a robot that actually works. Stay until the end to see which one deserves your money. And for every model we show, all the links to buy are waiting for you in the video description. Number 1. Shark PowerDetect Cordless. If you're after top-notch cleaning performance and lightweight portability, the Shark PowerDetect Cordless is the best of both worlds. Its cordless design means you can just grab and go, no cords to untangle, no outlets to track down. And with the ability to reach spots traditional vacuums usually struggle with, like stairs, under furniture, and even out in the car, it offers more than just convenience. It's a versatile cleaner for your whole home, and then some. Why we love it: the freedom from the cord and slim design is such a contrast to the clunky models we're used to. We couldn't believe how quickly we finished our chores. We particularly like the hinged wand, which helps you reach under furniture without bending. "It honestly saved my back," said our lead tester, Rachel. It still has a small dustbin, but it empties into a larger base station, which keeps everything contained and cuts down on how often you have to deal with a cloud of dust when dumping out. Number 2. Shark Stratos. The Shark Stratos is a powerhouse upright vacuum that gets the deep clean done. Not only that, but it gets it done with few passes and can effectively clean multiple floor types. The Stratos handles high traffic areas and pet hair with ease, and its strong filtration makes it a smart pick for anyone with allergies or asthma. If you don't mind lugging it up the stairs, we think this vacuum is worthy of just about any larger household that needs an occasional deep clean. Why we love it: during testing, this vacuum impressed us with its strong cleaning across all surfaces, especially hardwood, where it often cleared debris in just a single pass. The HEPA filter works wonders, reducing more harmful particles in the air than any other vacuum we tested. "While I know it can't match the agility of a stick vacuum," noted one of our testers, "it stands out among other uprights thanks to its smooth glide, tight swivel steering, and rollers that I felt nearly propel it forward." The detachable canister added welcome versatility for us as we were actually able to clean under furniture, as many uprights simply cannot. Number 3. Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Powerline. The Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Powerline is great for those with mostly hard floors who want powerful, reliable cleaning without the bulk of an upright. If you don't mind pulling a canister behind you, you'll have the freedom of a lightweight one that can reach up high and under furniture. The large dustbin means less frequent filter bag changes. Plus, the impressive filtration system is great for allergy sufferers. Why we love it: it delivered the strongest suction we've ever measured in our lab, making it a standout among all vacuum types. That power translated to excellent hard floor performance, with visible results after just one pass. Its oversized 4.5-liter bag held far more than most, meaning I needed fewer emptying trips, and because it's a bagged model, there were no clouds of dust to deal with, exclaimed one of our testers who is sensitive to dust. While pulling the canister took us a while to get used to, the lightweight one was a perk compared to an upright, giving us the ability to clean under and on top of furniture easily. Should you buy it? If you have a lot of hard floors and not a lot of stairs, this vacuum is for you. Number 4. Shark Rotator LA502. If you're dealing with pet hair across floors, furniture, and stairs, the Shark Rotator LA502 is a versatile upright vacuum that's especially well suited for pet owners. It stood out not just for its excellent carpet cleaning, but for its ability to handle fur throughout the home, something many vacuums struggle to do well. It's ideal for users who want strong, consistent performance, with uninterrupted power and a large dustbin, built to work through every room and capture every last strand of pet hair. Why we love it: this model includes a motorized brush attachment and a detachable base, making it easier to clean pet beds, stairs, and upholstery, areas where fur tends to collect. While I like cordless stick or handheld vacuums for these tight spaces, they come with limitations in battery life and dustbin size. The Rotator offers a more robust alternative, delivering powerful suction, larger capacity, and better runtime for deeper cleaning sessions. the kind most of us rely on when tackling the messes our furry friends leave behind. Number 5. Roborock Q5 Max Plus. If you're managing a busy household where crumbs, dirt, and pet hair seem to reappear the moment you clean them, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus can seriously lighten the load. It's all about keeping your floors in check day after day, so those big cleanups don't feel so overwhelming. It's also one of the more affordable models we've tested that you can actually rely on, not just to clean well, but to do it without constantly getting stuck or needing your help. A great fit for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants to stay ahead of daily messes without constantly worrying about them. Why we love it: it topped our cleaning performance charts, picking up more debris overall than any other robot we tested. While it easily handles big, visible messes and leaves your floors looking clean, we were even more impressed by how much embedded dirt and dander it pulled from carpets up close. You don't have to empty the vacuum after every run either, thanks to the auto-empty dock, which cuts down how often you need to deal with cleanup. And while other apps glitched or dropped connections, the Roborock app stayed smooth and responsive, something we really appreciated after how frustrating the others could be to use. If this guide helped you find your cleaning soulmate and saved you from a bad purchase, please give this video a thumbs up, it helps more than you know. Share this with a friend who's battling pet hair or dust bunnies. And for more honest reviews that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Now go enjoy your clean home.